Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your Shopify store name. So the first step here that we're going to do is open up your internet browser and go to the Shopify store. Make sure to sign in with your account. Now here on your dashboard, you just need to click on the settings right here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on settings, just go and click on store details, and then you'll find here your profile. And then here you will find your store name. As you can see, the current name is My Store. So if you're going to change your store name, you just need to click on the pen icon right here at the top right. And here you can just change it right away. So for example, this is a quick store right there, and then just click on save button. Now if you want to change your web address name right from here, that will be shown right there at the URL box. Basically go to the domains right here. So as you can see, this is my current Shopify name or web address. So if you want to change this one, so click on this one here. So this is the current name. So what you're going to do, you have two options. You can buy a new domain here, or you can simply connect your existing domain if you have one. So for example, here, you just need to add your domain, right? Just like this, and then just click on the next button and connect your domain to your Shopify store. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.